Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on or off automatic updates on the applications you download from the App Store. But to do this, you have to go to settings and you have to find App Store. So select App Store, and then to enable automatic app updates, you're going to enable this. So automatically download new purchases, including free, made on other devices. So to enable it, you're just going to turn this on. To disable it, you're just going to turn it off. And from there, you can manually update your apps from the App Store itself. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!